Why take a course on making smart financial decisions? It's simple. If you make smart financial decisions, you'll be more financially secure and you'll have less reason to worry. When I was growing up in Minnesota in the 50s, that's me on the left, no one took a personal finance course. Many people struggled financially, but the financial decisions they faced were simpler than the financial decisions most Americans face today. For example, my parents didn't have any credit card debt. Why? Because they didn't have credit cards. Nobody did in the 50s. When my parents bought a house, they didn't have to choose between a fixed rate or an adjustable rate mortgage. There were no adjustable rate mortgages in the 50s. And when my parents retired, they didn't worry about running out of money before they died. Their pensions were for life. People today don't know if they're saving enough in their 401k plans or making the right investments. Today we face more complicated decisions, more financial risk, and more ways to make mistakes. I'm Terrence Odine. I teach finance at the Haas School of Business at the University of California at Berkeley. I'm teaching a 5-week edX course on making smart financial decisions because I believe that people who were never taught about personal finance can improve their lives by learning basic practices and principles. My academic research focuses on individual investors and the things they do that make them their own worst enemies. However, this course is about more than investing. The first week we focus on spending and saving. How much do you need to save? Should you buy or rent? The second week, we'll read our credit reports, discuss strategies for getting out of debt, and talk with someone who did just that. Week 3 is about insurance and preparing for when things go wrong. And in week 4, we'll explore investing, what to buy, and how to cope with volatile markets. We end the course with retirement, figuring out how much you need to retire, and how much you can spend once you have retired. Is this course for you? If you've never looked at your credit report, you'd like to spend less on your auto insurance, you don't invest in index funds, or you wonder how much savings you'll need to retire, join my course and learn how to make smart financial decisions.